Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily switch your Windows clock between the 12-hour and 24-hour formats. And now let's get started. First, we will access the relevant settings. Right-click on your Start button and then select Settings from the menu that appears. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the Time and Language section. Within Time and Language, you will find an option labeled Language and Region. Click on this. Now scroll down the Language and Region page. You will see a setting for region format. Changing this can affect how dates and times are displayed. Next, we need to focus specifically on the time format. Go to the Date and Time tab. Scroll down within this tab, and you will locate the options for changing the date and time format. Under the Time Format section, you will see several choices. If the first option is selected, your clock will display in the 12-hour format. If you select the second option, your clock will then change to the 24-hour format. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.